Hello and welcome to BZW. Today we're introducing the BZW5C hexagon-shaped terminal crimping machine for small cables. This machine is specifically designed for efficient crimping of small cross-sectional closed-tube terminals. It offers a crimping force of 8 kN and a standard crimping width of 9 mm, which can be customized if needed. Equipped with an advanced PLC control system and a user-friendly touchscreen interface, it allows instant switching between different crimping ranges. The machine also features an electric positioning unit that allows for precise adjustment based on the actual wire size. There is no need to change the crimping applicator when processing closed-type terminals in the wide range of 2.5 to 35 square millimeters, which saves time and increases efficiency. Here's a 25 square millimeters cable being crimped. The BZW5C supports crimping of both standard and non-standard terminals with high accuracy, and the crimping joint can fully open, making it suitable for inline connections and larger square terminals. Here's a 6 square millimeters cable being crimped. It can also be integrated with OES pressure management system and MES systems for automated quality tracking. Compact, powerful, and easy to operate, the BZW5C is a reliable choice for small-sized terminal crimping.